Hi, good evening, one and all. Welcome to Unacademy. Yes, today I am going to discuss a very unique concept. So, which you will be surely mesmerized, right? So, you can bypass all the similarities of triangles, congruency of triangles approach to solve these questions very easily. So, today I will be discussing with you regarding mass point geometry, ladder theorem. Already I have discussed with you regarding Stewart's theorem. I'll discuss regarding Stewart's theorem little bit elaboratively. Okay, so let's start the class there. Please do try to hit the like button. Yes. So before start of the class, let me introduce myself. This is NLN Sharma, and my best CAT score was 99.83 in 2011, and these are my credentials. Now, when you use my code NLN10, yes, you will get 10% discount, and you will get guidance of all these subjects from me. Now, why me? I'm ranked 33 in overall category of GATE and DSC, and rank 1 in math and chemistry category. I have dealt more than 50,000 plus students till date for CAT, UPSC and GATE DSC. So many students were asking me, sir, what is the difference between plus and iconic and what are the advantages when I choose iconic or plus? One such greatest advantage in iconic is you will be assigned with a personal coach, right? And you will be getting one-to-one live mentorship with your coach and your educator so that you can speak with them personally about your difficulties facing during your preparation, where you'll get the best solutions to overcome that. One more greatest advantage, test analysis. Each and every test will be analyzed and your mistakes are identified. And if those mistakes are rectified, automatically your score will be boosted. This is what students need right now. Right? Most of the students complain me this, sir, we have completed the entire syllabus, but we are not able to solve the questions, but we are not able to apply the things onto the questions. This is where your coach will be helpful. Manan, you can check in the previous slide, right? I cannot go back to my previous slide. Of course, whatever you get in plus, you will get in iconic also. So how much you have to invest? If you are choosing plus and if you are opting for 24-month subscription, it will be costing you on an average of 50 rupees per day, the lowest, where you will get India's the best educators to teach for you. Now, when you use my code NLN10, yes, you will get my guidance and my entire group guidance right from Bima. Honda sir, right? Everyone, right? So, and you will get 10% off. After 10% off, the price will be 35,550 for 24 months. And for 12 months, the price will be 24,750 after discount when you use my code NLN10, and this is for 18 months. Yes, Vishal, PDF milega. So you can download from the communities group. You can follow me on the app. So I'm forwarding the notes in the communities group. You can download there, and also on the Telegram group, right? Unacademy Cat. And yes, these are the normal prices, but up to July 29th. So we have extended from 22nd to 29th. Normally you get 10% discount when you use my code NLN10, right? And yes, you will be getting flat 20% discount when you use my code NLN10 up to 29th. Hi Manan, I have replied you, right? You can go back and check my previous slide. There all the percentiles are there. Okay, don't worry, I have replied you. Done. You will be getting flat 20% and my guidance, right? And these are the prices for iconic. So for 12 months, the price will be 41,175 after discount when you use my code NLN10. Of course, these are normal prices. You will be getting flat 20% discount. It's not 10, it's flat 20% discount. Yes. And these are the All India mock test dates here. Log the dates. So try to write down this All India mock so you can understand where you are. So this will be the finest test which will be exactly at the CAT level, right? Unlock the test using with my code NLN10. Done? Yes. So we'll start the session here. So these are the questions which I have discussed in the previous classes. I have forwarded the notes to the Telegram groups also. Once you can check this. So today, so I will be discussing the concept for 5 to 10 minutes. Then we will start the questions there. Okay. Unless until you cannot understand the questions very clearly. So what is this mass point geometry? So mass point geometry concept is based on the principle of center of mass. What is the center of mass? Let us go with a simple example, okay? So in your primary classes, you might have played this game called seesaw. Am I right or wrong? You might have played. So let us suppose, consider this as a seesaw. Right? Hi Preet. So this will be the center of the seesaw. Center of the seesaw. Matlab, the distance between the center pivot to this extreme, if this is length L, now this will also be L. I'm considering it, right? I'm taking out like this. Now, I kept a weight here. I kept a weight here. Now, closely observe there, this seesaw is getting balanced. How? When the weight M1 is equal to M2, this weight will be balanced. Am I right or wrong? When M1 is equal to M2, this weight will be balanced, considering your pivot is exactly at the center. Now see here, let us suppose take in here, rural areas, you might have seen carrying weight, carrying goods on their shoulders. Carrying goods on their shoulders, right? So the total weight in front and back will be maintained by the center of the shoulder. Am I right or wrong? So this pivot, the center pivot, will maintain both M1 plus M2. This will balance both M1 and M2. Am I right or wrong? So are you understanding this? Now, this is called center pivot. This is called center of mass, right? This is what maintaining the entire mass. Of course, right? Center, or I will call it as pivot. Yes, just weight balance. Of course, if you everybody know, if M1 weight is increased, automatically this will tilt down and this will tilt up. When this case will happen, M1 is greater than M2. Am I right or wrong? Yes. In all the conditions, center pivot might not be in the middle. There might be some other conditions also. So the answer is no. Before going to that, I will take down this center pivot. Now closely observe there. Now the pivot is here. The center pivot is here. I'll take down like this. Now closely observe there. Let us suppose I will take down this length as L1. I will take down this length as L2. Now see here, I kept a weight M1, M2, and again the seesaw is balancing. And the seesaw is balancing here. So see, I am not tilting the seesaw, they are balancing here. Matlab, so the center pivot will be managing both the weights. Everybody know, even though whatsoever there, this will be the balancing position called center pivot. So before going that, so you might have played a game called lemon and spoon in your primary classes. If you closely observe there, let us suppose this is a spoon. And this is the lemon there. So see here, if the distance between lemon and your mouth is far away, automatically you cannot balance the lemon easily. If the distance between the lemon and your mouth is less, means rod length is less, you can balance the lemon very easily. Am I right or wrong? So the balancing of lemon is dependent on length of this rod. Am I right or wrong? So balancing of lemon will be dependent upon this length of the rod. Similarly, I can take down the same condition there. M1 weight will be balanced by this position. Am I right? Because M1 is here. This L2 length will be managed. M2 weight will be balanced by L1. And this is called clear-cut case of mass point geometry. So this is called clear-cut case of mass point geometry. Now closely observe there, M1 weight is balanced by L2. M2 weight is balanced by L1. Am I right or wrong? So just like lemon and spoon concept, observe there. So I can take down like this, M1 into L1 is equal to M2 into L2. Okay. Now with this condition, I will be solving each and every question there. And you closely observe there, your center should manage both the weights. Of course, whatsoever weight is there, the both weights has to be managed by center pivot. Everybody know, right? Our center of the shoulder will manage the front weight and back weight when we are carrying. Am I right or wrong? The same concept applies here. Chalo, I will show how to solve a question avoiding similarities of triangles, congruency of triangles. Let us see. I will show some questions how to solve it. Observe the question carefully. So I will take down this question. आराम से देखो, I am not solving with similarities of triangles. Triangle PQR is a right angled triangle at P. So at P, right angle is at P, it seems. Okay, fine. I'll take down like this. And again, PQ value is given as 2. I'll take down PQ value as 2. It is given there. And PR value is 2 root 3. If you closely observe there, your base value is 2 and your one perpendicular side value is 2 root 3. 2 is to 2 root 3 is to, by Pythagoras theorem, I can easily say my hypotenuse value will be 4. And the angles will be in the format of 30 is to 60 is to 90 degrees triangle. It's a special triangle. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. By this, what can I say? My RK value will be 4. Again, perfectly done. And any other point given there? Altitude PL. Now, this is PL is altitude, it seems. Intersects median RM at F. RM is median. What is the meaning of median? Median divides the base into two equal parts. So PQ value is 2. So PM value will be 1 and MQ value will be 1. Will you accept with me? Yes, perfectly. And you closely observe there PLQ triangle. PLQ triangle. So by this, what can I say? Now this is a 30, 60, 90 degrees triangle. This angle is 60 degrees. This angle is 60 degrees. This is 90 degrees and this will be how much more? 30 degrees. Everybody know. So observe only triangle PLQ. If you observe only triangle PLQ, now this will be opposite to 30. This will be the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse value is 2. 30, 60, 90 degrees triangle will be in the format of 1 is to root 3 is to 2. So my LQ value will be 1. So how much will be my PL value? PL value will be root 3. Will you accept with me? Yes, perfectly. This is the condition there. And they go, if LQ value is 1, now RL value will be 3. Yes, perfectly done. Yes or no? Now what is the question asked? Find the length of PF, it seems. Sir, dekho, right? I will use mass point geometry to solve this question. I will take down RQ line segment outside. Now this is my RQ length, RQ line segment. This is R, this is Q. Now what is my center pivot here? Center pivot is nothing but called L. Yes. I mean, visualize like that. Now this is L. Okay. What is RL length? RL length is given as 3. LQ length is given as 1. So how much weight should I keep on R and Q per each other? By mass point geometry, everybody knows. So I'll take down like this. This is M1. This is M2. This is L1. This is L2. Now please let me know, M1 into L1 is equal to M2 into L2. By this, what can I write down? M1 by M2 is equal to L2 by L1. What is your L2 value? 1. What is your L1 value? 3. This is 1. This is 3. Now what should I keep in place of M1 value? I should keep 1. Weight 1. I should keep M2 as 3. Am I right or wrong? This is what my mass point geometry. Yes. And you closely observe there at R. How much weight did you kept there? 1. I'll write down in red ink. Weights I'll write down in red ink. R. 1. How much weight did you keep at Q? 3. Now what will be the center pivot weight value? Will it be 4? Yes. So L value should be 4. Perfectly done. Now you will be getting a confusion there. Sir, consider this PQ line segment. I will take down PQ line segment outside. This is P. This is Q. And for this center pivot value is M. Center pivot value is M. Now how can it be root 3 by 2 here? Now closely observe there. PM value is 1. MQ value is Q. But अब देखो आपने कितना weight रख दिया Q पर? 3. Sir, it is 1 na? How did you keep 3? So that's what, to balance this, what I will do is I will multiply with a common factor. I will multiply with 3 here. I will multiply with 3 here. Okay. And my M value will be how much? 6. 3 plus 3, 6. How much will be my P weight value? 3. So I'll write down the same thing. Sir, how can we damn surely say I am right? I'll prove it. So P value is nothing but equal to 3. Yes. And M value is nothing but equal to 6. Perfectly done. And see here, from any side, which is the center pivot value of this triangle? This is the center pivot value. and my center pivot value, whatever direction you calculate, that must be exactly same. And you closely observe there. One, weight 6, my center pivot value will be 7. So it has to be 7 when you look upon through PL also. Weight 3, weight 4, F weight should be 7. Yes, exactly, it is managing there. Now see, if I keep weight 3 here, how much must be the length at FL? 3. If I keep weight 4 at L, my PF length will be how much? 4. And my answer is done. And you closely observe there, PL value is root 3 and PL value is nothing but given as 7. 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3, 7. So see here, root 3 value is equal to 7. So one part value will be how much? Root 3 by 7. Now what is the question asked? Find out the length of PF. Now PF length value is how much ma? 4 parts. 4 parts का value कितना था? 4 parts का value will be 4 root 3 by 7. Am I right or wrong? And I got my answer there. 4 parts value. This is nothing but called my PF length. So using mass point geometry, I have calculated this perfectly. And my C option is true. Done. Oh, Nawab, you said me the answer there. So using mass point geometry, if you are little bit acquainted, you can solve the questions very easily and very perfectly. I'll make sure that you will be solving many questions here. I'll solve one more question. And the next question you have to solve for me. Okay. Now coming to the next question. I hope so I am clear. Yes. Let's come to this question. Observe the question. Okay. This is the basic question now. All your IIT JEE textbooks have this question, right? Went above brain, right? You can understand this. Don't worry about it. Upon practice, you can easily say do this. In a triangle ABC, points D and E are on BC and AC. Point D is on BC, point E is on AC. Okay, respectively. If AD and BE intersect at a point called F. Okay, so that AF is equal to 4. Now see here, AF is equal to 4, it seems. FD is equal to 1, it seems. Okay. Now BD is equal to how much? 2. Now DC is nothing but equal to 1. Okay, fine. Find the ratio of AE is to EC, BF is to BE is the question asked. So, okay, fine. I know the length there. So let us suppose take this length has to be the weight here because this is the mass point geometry formula. M1 L1 is equal to M2 L2. That's what everybody know about this. So if I keep 1 here, if I keep 4 here, it has to be 5. If I keep 4 here, if I add this 2 plus 1, it is becoming 4 only now. So we are getting zigzag values there. Let us make it as an equilibrium. How to make it as an equilibrium? Ab dekho, this is 4 plus 1 5. This is 2 plus 1 3. So I got two values there. If I add those length values, I got 5 comma 3. So what I will do is I will take down an LCM value of this 5 comma 3. So everything will be exactly divisible for me. 5 comma 3 ka LCM batao by 15. Am I right or wrong? So I will take down my center pivot value as 15. I will take down my center pivot value as 15. Then I will manage the things there. Now see how you will manage there. If this has to be 15, I should take down like this. So see here, I have to multiply 4 into 3, which becomes 12. I have to multiply 1 into 3, same common factor. By this, what can I do? I kept a weight called 3 on A. I kept a weight called 12 on D. So 12 plus 3, it became 15. Okay, I managed one side. Let us manage the base part also. If I have to make it 12, I have to multiply with a common factor called a 4 here. Am I right or wrong? I have to multiply with a common factor called 4 here. So the weights that I kept here is 8. So the weights that I kept here is 4. 4 plus 8, again it is 12. So I am managing here. And you closely observe there, this is 8, this is 3. What is the weight at E? It is 11. So even though if you calculate from B to E also, 11 plus 4, 15, my center pivot value is exactly managing there. Now, if my weight is 4 at B, my FE length has to be 4. If my length is weight is 11 at E, my length has to be 11 here at BF. Am I right or wrong? M1 L1 is equal to M2 L2. Now see here, if my weight is 8 here, my length of AE has to be 8. If my weight is 3 here, my length has to be 3 here. So what is the question asked? Find the ratio of AE is to EC. So AE is to EC का ratio बताओ भाई. I am not using any basic triangle properties to solve the question there. 8 is to 3 is the answer. Now what will be the ratio of length of BF is to B? BF is to B. Observe there. BF length is 11. BE length is 15. Am I right or wrong? 11 plus 4. This is my answer. And it perfectly without using any basic properties. Done. Perfectly done. Chal. Now, sir, is this the only way to solve a question? No, there are many ways. So see here in the next question, what I will do is I will explain all the procedures. You use your procedure whichever you feel comfort, right? So we multiply now 4 with 3 to make it 15. Center pivot value 15. 4 into 3, 1 into 3. Both common factor na? So in the next question, what I will do is I will explain the orthodox procedure. I will explain mass point geometry. I will explain a shortcut and your wish. You can use anything whichever you feel it as comfortable, right? I am not forcing you regarding this. Let's come to the next question. This is the question there. This is the question there. Now you will feel very happy regarding this mass point geometry if you understood this very perfect. Observe the question there. 3 lines divide a triangle in 5 areas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 areas. The areas of 3 parts have been shown in the figure and 2 unknown areas have been represented as x and y. Find the value of x by y is the question asked. The line given from B to the opposite line is an altitude is the point given there. So chalo, for my convenience, I will take down this as O. I will take down this as D. I will take down this as E. Okay. Now, I will use mass point geometry to solve this question here. Now, closely observe there. I'll take down this one. I'll take down this rod. BD line segment outside. This is B. This is D. And this is the center pivot. This is the center pivot. Center pivot value is O. Okay. So, how much area? So, run along this line. Observe the values there. 30 and 18 are there. Take down 30 area here, 18 area here. Of course, in area only, I will get lines, right? Base into height na. So automatically, I can take down this as L1, L2 lengths. So by by removing the common factors, this will be 5 and 3. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. So by this, what can I say? I kept a weight called 3 on B. I kept a weight called 5 on D. So what is my center pivot value? My center pivot value should manage both the weights 8. So my O value is nothing but called 8. Let us see whether I'm right or wrong. If we are wrong, we'll change it. So D value is nothing but equal to 5 weight that you put here. B value is 3 weight that you put here. Okay, fine. Let's take down one more line segment. I'll take down C line segment outside. I'll take down C line segment outside and this is the center pivot called O. And they go by my O value has to be 8. I don't know what you will do there because this has to be 8 or otherwise I have to change the number there. Now I'll take down this as C. I'll take down this as E. Run along the line called CE. What is the area that you are observing there? 30. What is the area that you are observing here? EO 10. As these are areas, I can extract line segment values there. Is it 3:1? If you add 3 plus 1, the center pivot value will be 4. But my center pivot value has to be 8. So what shall I do there? Pre-chada, right? Shall I multiply with 2 here? I'll make a common factor called 2 and 2. Yes, perfectly it is done there. So total value will become 8. Yes. So what is the weight that I am putting at C? 2. What is the weight that I am putting at E? 6. Closely observe there. At C, I am putting a weight called 2. This is got managing the weights there. Now see, this is 6. And done. And done. Now see here. X6 into X is nothing but equal to 5 into Y when you consider these values there. So automatically X by Y is nothing but equal to how much? 5 by 6. Sir, how did you prove this? I don't have any options now. I will prove it also. Don't worry about it. I will prove, right? 5 by 6, right? Perfectly done. This is called mass point geometry. And we have one more simple theorem called ladder theorem. What is that ladder theorem? So see, I'll explain this in a simple language. Then you can understand this. I'll take the same example here. Don't worry about that. I'll take down the same example. Now, how many triangles are you observing in this triangle? So see here, A, B, C, D, E, F. Now see, 3 triangles and 1 quadrilateral. Now this is quadrilateral. Am I right or wrong? This is quadrilateral, remaining all things are areas. By ladder theorem, so see here, I'll take down this area is A, this area is B, this area is C, and this area is D. So what ladder theorem says? So I'm not exactly deriving the ladder theorem, I'm just giving the formula and application, right? So we can use the question to solve like this. Ladder theorem says that total area 1 by total area of the triangle, delta represents area of the triangle, plus, so take down an area of a triangle which has largest base value, base length there. Now you closely observe there, upon observing this triangle area will be having largest base. So I'll take down this by observation, right? I'm not saying exactly, I'll take down this as E is equal to, now take down only areas of the triangles, remove the quadrilateral area, don't consider quadrilateral area. So run along this line segment. Now what are the areas of the triangles that you are observing? AD line segment, okay, pass. We are observing 2 triangle areas A plus C, plus consider the next line segment B, run along this line segment, observe only areas of the triangles, don't take area of the quadrilateral, right? That is the logic there, A plus B, and this is called your ladder's theorem. With this I can solve the question there. See, I will solve the same question in the previous slide. Now total area of the triangle ABC ka area of the triangle is almost 10 plus 30 plus 18 plus x plus y. So 1 divided by x plus y, 30 plus 10 40 plus 18 58. This is the total area of the triangle. Okay, fine. Plus, now which has the largest base? BC has the largest base and the area of the triangle at that base is 30. So I'll take down 30. 1 by 30 is equal to, now run along one line segment there, run along BD. What are the areas of the triangle that you are observing? 30 plus 18. 1 by 30 plus 18. I'll take down as 48. Plus, now come back, right? Now run along this arrow mark, observe only areas of the triangles, remove quadrilateral. AEOD is a quadrilateral beta. So 1 by 40, 1 by 30 plus 10, 1 by 40. Now calculate this, you will get the same answer for sure. So see here, 1 by x plus y plus 58 is nothing but equal to 1 by 48 plus 40 minus 1 by 30. So what will be your LCM? Your LCM value will be 240 here. If your LCM value is 240, 48 5s will be 240, 46 will be 240 minus, this is how much? 8. So closely observe there, this is 11 minus 8, 3 by 240. 3 by 240 is nothing but equal to 1 by 80. So finally, what is the value left over? X plus y plus 58 is equal to 80. Now x plus y is nothing but equal to how much? Is it 22? Now if you have options, I can easily calculate there. So see here, x I will take down as 10, y I can take down as 12. Now automatically 10 plus 12 is 22. What is the ratio of x plus y? Is it 5:6? So why I am taking like this means already I have proved in the previous question. That's why I am writing down like this. I hope so I am clear. I will solve one more question regarding ladder theorem and I'll come back, right? So see here, this is also a question regarding, so see, I'll come back, right? This is a question regarding ladder theorem. Observe there in the figure shown, if the area of the triangle ABF is 3 square units, okay, 3 square units. Area of the triangle AFE is 4 square units. Area of the triangle BFD is 2 square units. Find the area of the quadrilateral. I will take down area of the quadrilateral as C. Now take down ladder theorem. You can solve this question within 30 seconds. Within 30 seconds. Trust me regarding this. Right? Closely observe there. Area of the total triangle will be right. What if x and y are distinct to each other? That's what I wrote now. X and y are distinct to each other only, na? So upon options, you can decide this, Preet. Upon options, you can decide this, right? And quadrilateral will be formed damn surely, right? So this is the format na for ladder theorem. Quadrilateral will be formed. See here, quadrilateral is formed here. The diagram is showing na. I am not writing my own diagram here. So total area of the triangle 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus C. This is the total area of the triangle. Now which triangle has largest base? AB side, by observation I can cite down AB side has largest base. I will take down as 3. Now run along this B line segment, take down only areas of the triangles 2 plus C now 3 plus 4. Am I right or wrong? 3 plus 4 is nothing but equal to 7. Run along the arrow mark called AD. So observe only triangle areas 3 plus 2 5. So by this what can I write down? 1 by 9 plus C is equal to 1 by 7 plus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 3. So 7, 5, 3 are prime numbers. So LCM will be how much ma? 5 3s are 15. 105 will be LCM. So 7 15s are, am I right or wrong? Yes. 5 21s are, yes, minus this is how much? 35s are. 21 plus 35 is how much? 36. So it is 1 by 36 minus 35 will be 1. 1 divided by 105. This side it will be 1 by 9 plus C. So automatically 9 plus C is nothing but equal to how much? 105. And dekho what is my C value there? C is nothing but equal to, is it 96? And this is my quadrilateral area. I got easily answer with my lattice theorem. So what is my option there? In case if you don't know ladder theorem, you have to go through a long procedure of similarities of triangles, which will take so much of time to solve a question there. Now see, sir, how can you prove that your approach is very unique, very optimum time taking procedure? I will go with the normal textbook approach. Let's see how much time will it take. Then you can understand me how mass point geometry will be helpful for you. Okay, I'll explain this question in a normal textbook procedure, right? So what your examination has, or otherwise what your normal CAT textbooks has, I'll explain in that procedure. We know a property here. Observe this. This is altitude now. This altitude, let us suppose I'll take down this as BD. This is O, this is E. BD altitude is common for two triangles. If two triangles have common heights, automatically areas of the triangles will be in the ratio of their bases. Am I right or wrong? Half into B into B1 into H is equal to half into B2 into H. H gets cancelled, half gets cancelled. Areas of the triangles will be in the ratio of their bases. And everybody know about this property? Yes, perfectly. Now observe triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, area of, I'm writing down the area of triangle ABD divided by area of triangle BDC. Triangle BDC. So these areas will be in the ratio of their bases AD by DC because they have common height AD by DC. Will you accept with me? Yes. Now you closely observe there. I am taking down only this triangle AOC. AOC. So I am underlining this. I'll write down area of. So I'll write down a little bit here. Area of triangle AOD and triangle DOC. Again, they are residing on the same height and the areas will be depending upon their bases only AD by DC. So see here, I can connect those two equations, first and blue and red one easily. So how? So see here, I'll erase this because we don't need now. I've explained you perfectly now. Now you closely observe the area of triangle ABD is how much ma? X plus Y plus 10. Am I right or wrong? Please let me know. ABD ka area. Now BOC ka area, BDC ka area batao bhai. Is it 48? Yes, it is 48. Now this is nothing but equal to AD by BC. Now AOD triangle ka area batao. Is it Y? Yes, it is Y. I will be writing down in reading. Y. Area of triangle DOC is nothing but how much? Is it 18? And which is nothing but equal to AD by DC. I can club this both equations and I can solve it, right? X plus Y plus 10 divided by 48 is nothing but equal to Y divided by 18. Am I right or wrong? This is 2 9s are, this is 2 24s are, or otherwise I can write down directly 3 6s are and 3 12s are. Am I right or wrong? 3 6s are, 3 16s are. 16s are. This is 2s are, this is 8s are. No, this is 2 3s are. Sorry. This is 2 3s are. 2 3s are, 2 8s are. Okay, right? So finally my equation will become 3x plus 3y plus 30 is nothing but equal to 8y. So finally I'll get an equation there. So see, this much you have to do, if you go with an orthodox procedure. 3y, 8y minus 3y will be 5y. 5y minus 3x will be 30. Now, I got an equation called 30. This much if you do your examination, time will be over. Similar case. Now I have done on right hand side now. Do similar thing on the left hand side. Observe this triangle. So same case. So I will take down CE. Now I took previously BD na, I took CE now. If I took CE, I'll write down here, right? Area of, let me write down this so that you can understand later on, right? Area of triangle. So if I take CE, ACE divided by area of triangle, see here, CEB is nothing but equal to, they are the area ratio of their areas will be on the ratio of their bases, AE by EB. Now I'll take down the similar case here, area of, observe this one, I am rounding off this point there, this triangle AOB, observing it, right? So triangle AOE divided by triangle, right? Triangle EOB, or otherwise, triangle EOB is equal to, now closely observe there, what is this? They are also residing on same height. AE by EB will be the ratio of their areas, right? Bases. Now I can club those both. Yes, I can club those both. So I'll club those with black ink, right? ACE ka area batao by ACE x plus y plus 18. Am I right or wrong? X plus y plus 18 divided by CEB ka area batao. CEB, is it CEB 10 plus 30 40 is equal to, now this one should I write down, AOE x by 10. Am I right or wrong? X by 10. EOB is nothing but 10. Yes, perfectly. EOB, yes, EOB is 10. So by this I can write down like this. Final equation is 4x minus x will be 3x. 3x minus y is equal to 18. Now I got two equations there. Am I right or wrong? See here. In the previous slide I got one equation. What is that? 5y minus 3x. 5y minus 3x is equal to 30. Now second equation is 3x minus y is equal to how much? 18. So I can solve these two equations there. So 3x gets cancelled. 5y minus 3y will be 4y. Am I right or wrong? So this will be 48. Now y value will be how much, ma? 12. Now see here, I got the answer there, right? If y value is 12, this y will go that side. 12 plus 18 will be how much? 30. Am I right or wrong? So my x value will be how much? 10. So my x by y value is nothing but how much, ma? Is it 5 by 6? Yes, I got the same answer there. Now, Preet, will you accept with me how mass point geometry will be helpful to solve a question dead easily? If you go with the normal orthodox your textbook procedures, this will be the procedure to solve a question. Of course, right, all the test series also gave this solution only. If you go with this solution, this is the solution and you'll get 5 by 6 for sure. So see here, if I go with mass point geometry, also you will be getting 5 by 6. If you go with ladder theorem also, you will be getting same 5 by 6, right? So this is what, right, refining the procedure in geometry, array here we can do magic. We can do literally magic in geometry, right? With mass point geometry, ladder theorem, Stewart's theorem, right? We can avoid all this similarities, congruencies of triangles. We can solve questions in an easiest manner there. Okay, done. I hope so. I am clear regarding this mass point geometry, right? So let's go with the next question there. I'll give a gap for this mass point geometry. Let's give a break and then we will solve some of the best questions here next also. So I'll go with the next questions there. Now, I am expecting you guys to answer this question. We have solved a similar type of question yesterday. Now, I will be giving you 2 minutes to try this question there. Now, no mass point geometry, completely erase from your mind. We'll solve these questions there, right? Okay. Preet, so I will be forwarding a DPP today to the Telegram group, some 10 to 12 questions regarding mass point geometry. Try in that way. So trust me, right? That will be the best procedure and there will be a damn sure one question in your CAT examination. And if you are going to IIFT, yes, you observe 2 to 3. If you are going to SNAP, yes, you will be observing 2 to 3 questions there for sure. Ah, yes. Yes, Preet, right? So you observe my question series, Preet. I will be using similarities of triangles very minimalistic. Very minimalistic. So you observe all my question series. I'll do some 15 to 18 sets of, we classes for this. Some 300 questions. Mostly I'll use only for 20 to 25 questions similarities. Remaining things I'll go with properties only perfectly. My approach will be completely different with regarding to geometry here. Now, what about this? Again, those who know the property, I am also big fan to you, Bhargav. Any answer for this? Now, see here, I'll be drawing the things there. Yes. So, in a triangle PQR, this is a triangle PQR. PQ is equal to 12, PR is equal to 10, QR is equal to 8. A semicircle is drawn with center O which touches PQ and QR at S and T respectively, is drawn with diameter lying on side PR. It is not PR is the diameter, diameter lie on PR. So my semicircle must be in this format. So see here, closely observe there. Second. So this has to, so don't troll me with the diagram there. So see here, I'll draw like this. So this will be very, very easy for me. So observe this. This is PQ. No, so this is Q. So your diameter is on PR now. Now this is the center of the semicircle O, and PQ, it is S, touching point is, and this is T. Now what is the question asked? You are asked to find out the OP length. OP length is the question asked. Now see here. Observe the points what I am doing there here. Is OS radius of the semicircle? Yes. Is OT radius of the semicircle? And we have a property, radius of the semicircle will make, circle will make 90 degrees with the tangent. PQ is a tangent, yes or no? Please let me know. Yes, a tangent perpendicularity theorem. And this also, OT is radius and QR is tangent, and which make 90 degrees with the tangent by tangent perpendicularity theorem. So I'll drop a line segment here. Observe here, from O to Q, I'll drop a line segment. Now, sorry. Now closely observe that I am observing two triangles, triangle QOT and triangle SOQ. Are these two triangles congruent? Yes, these two triangles are congruent. How can you say this, sir? OT, OS are exactly same length. Common side OQ is there, and one angle is 90 degrees. By Pythagorean triplet, damn surely the third side must also be exactly same. Am I right or wrong? And these are congruent triangles. By this, what can I say? The angle at this position will be equal to angle at this position. Am I right or wrong? Angles will also be same now. If it is 30, 60, 90, 45, 45, 20, 90, whatsoever. So by this, what can I say? My QO is angle bisector. My QO is angle bisector. So by this, what can I say? We have a theorem called internal angle bisector theorem. We have a theorem called internal angle bisector theorem. So by this, I hope so you can solve it very easily. Sides PQ divided by PQR is nothing but equal to OP divided by OR. Okay. Now how much is PQ? PQ is nothing but given as 12. QR is nothing but given as 8. So OP is to OR is nothing but in the ratio of 3:2. Am I right or wrong? So did anybody give PR value there? Yes, PR is given as 10. PR value is given as 10. So by this I can say 3:2, 5 parts value is nothing but equal to 10. And you are asked to find out 3 parts value, OP value. 3 parts value kitna tha? Is it 6? Yes, it is 6. And my option number C exactly satisfies there. So I know the property well, so I have applied it perfectly. So this is what you need there, right? Most of you will know the properties very well. You should know how to apply it. This is what you need for CAT examination for sure if you want to be in 99%. Done. So let's go with one more best question here. Yes. Let's see how many can solve this. 2 minutes. So this was asked in a blog here. I took this question from a blog 2 years back. One guy asked me on Facebook doubt solving group. So I kept this question to give it to my students, right? So try this. One minute more. What about Bhavesh? What about Pralay Patra, Naman Mehta? There are these students regularly who come to my class. Anshita Gupta. So please do try to hit the like button here. Those who are watching the session, please, so that I can reach to more number of audience here. 35 seconds. No answer. You're waiting for my approach or what you're doing there? 2 minutes is not enough to solve the question. Do 3 more questions. 10 seconds more. Nobody. Observe there. Let A, B, C, D be a rectangle with sides 15, 20 as shown. 15, 20 as shown. Let M be a circle centered at A. Now this is the center of the circle, it seems. Excellent, Srinivas. Excellent. Let M be a circle centered at A. Now all KGPNs are there in the class, right? M be a circle centered at A of the circle passing through F comma C and E. Find the length of chord EF is the question asked. So see, before going that, so I can do two things here. Now AC is nothing but called radius of the circle and AC is nothing but called diagonal of the rectangle. Diagonal of the rectangle will be by Pythagoras theorem. What can I say? 400, 625. My AC value will be 25. Am I right or wrong? My AC value will be 25. I can damn surely say about this point there. Now closely observe there one more point. So from the center of the circle, if I drop a perpendicular onto a chord, now this is EF is a chord to the circle. EF is a chord to a circle. If you closely observe there, this center of the circle, I mean, this perpendicular will make 90 degrees with the chord. Everybody know about this. And again, regarding this Pythagoras theorem, I can do one more point there here. Now closely observe there, AF is nothing but called radius. AE is nothing but called radius. Am I right or wrong? This is 25, 25, everybody know. So I want to find out, let us suppose I will take down this value as O. Now I want OD value, I want OB value. Okay, now see here triangle AOB, triangle AOB is a right angle triangle. AO square plus OB square must be 20 square. So see here AO square plus OB square must be equal to AB square. Will you accept with me? Yes, perfectly. Yes or no? Exactly, yeah. No. AB square. Fine. AB square. AB. This is AE, man. This line segment is A. Now see here, I will be trying an iteration there. So I will take down AO as 12 square. I will take down AB as 400. Now which value will make this 144 plus 16? Am I right or wrong? 16, 256 will make my answer perfectly. Yes, so I'll take down 16. Let us see it is not working out or not. 16 square. My OB square is 16 matlab. My DB value is nothing but diagonal of the square. So this has to be 9 perfectly. Is it 9? Let us see. So if I take 12 here, 12 square plus 9 square, 18 square will be 225. Yes, perfectly working out. So I have done these things perfectly. Now what is the question asked? Length of chord EF it seems. Now observe here AFO. AFO is nothing but a right angle triangle. Am I right or wrong? And see here from O to D. So F to D I'll take down a value called X. So AFO is nothing but equal to AF is nothing but equal to how much? Radius of the circle there. This is perpendicular side 12 square plus 9 plus X square. 9 plus X whole square is equal to, and the same thing will be applicable here also. Will you accept with me? This is 25 now. 12 square plus are we missing down anything there? Yes, we are missing down something. One second. I'll take down like this. 12 square plus EO square. EO square is nothing but equal to 25 square. EO square is nothing but equal to 25 square minus 12 square. And you closely observe there. This is okay, fine. FO square. FO square. Now I'll take down OE square here. OE square is nothing but equal to. So is this nothing but yes, same thing, right? 25 square minus 12 square. Am I right or wrong? Hi Madan. 25 square minus 12 square. Now OE square and FO square are same. Am I right or wrong? Exactly half only na chord. If I add those things, this become EF. Now EF value is nothing but equal to 2 into root of. So how much is 25 square minus 12 square? 625 minus 144 is nothing but equal to 481. And here in the options, 481 is nothing but given as 37 into 13. Ma. Yes, and my option number C will satisfy perfectly, and this is my option. How many of you got this value there? Exactly done. Yes, Srinivas, you are right. Done. Chalo, let's go with the next question there. This is the question there. Loop wala. 2 minutes. Try this. The answer for this. So of course, right, you need not find out the exact value because I have erased the options there. Seconds more. Srinivas, Preet, हुआ suddenly सबको silent हो गया, भी silent हो गया. No answers. Chalo, right? What I have done is a while loop is in the shape of a rectangle. It seems so. For your convenience, I'll draw a shape there. Let us suppose take this is a rectangle here. A B C D. I'll take down the breadth as A. I'll take down the length as B. Okay. Chalo. Now, a while loop is in the shape of a rectangle ABCD. Side AB and CD are pressed towards each other. Pressed towards it such that their length does not change, it seems. Okay, okay. So I have to take down like this here then. ABCD. So I have pressed it like this. Okay. Now press it like this so that their length does not change and they remain parallel. Side BC and CD, this is not CD ma, this is AD, this is what missing there, AD, bend outward in the form of a semicircular arcs such that semicircular arcs, if the area enclosed by the new shape is same as that of the original shape, then find the ratio of the length of AB to BC is the question asked. Chalo, it happened like this here. Upon pressing, this thing happened here. So I'll take down like this. Is what happened. Now what is the length remains same, it seems. So these are the length here, AD, sorry, ABCD. Okay. Okay, sorry. Length matlab, so how should I take down this? Length became same is these things are protruded na. Okay, these lengths protruded matlab these are lengths AD protruded outside, BC protruded outside. Okay, ABCD perfectly done. Now closely observe that this is nothing but called radius of the semicircular arc. I'll take down this as R, I'll take down this as R. Now length will be same, take down anything there, so I'll take down length as A, I'll take down length as A here, small a. Now the point is AD value, AD value is nothing but equal to B, because I took my breadth as B. AD value is B. Now closely observe there, my B value is nothing but equal to, now presently it is a semicircular arc, 2 pi r by 2. Circumference of a full circle is 2 pi r, half circle semicircle is 2 pi r by 2. So by this what can I say, this is B is equal to pi r. So my radius value is nothing but, I can take down this as B by pi. Yes, I am taking down this as B by pi. Come to the next point there. Now what is the point given there? Area of the original shape is same as that of new shape form. Area of the original shape is nothing but called A into B. Everybody know about this. Is equal to area of the now present shape is how much? Now this is again rectangle only, right? A into 2r. The protruded two semicircular arcs are nothing but equal to pi r square by 2 plus pi r square by 2. I will be taking down as pi r square, both combinedly together. So A into B, AAB is equal to A into 2 into, in the place of R I will be taking down B by pi. Is it okay? Fine. So plus I will be taking down pi into, in the place of R value I will take down B by pi, B square by pi square. So automatically 1 pi value gets cancelled. I can take 1b outside, so 1b gets cancelled down here. So my A value is nothing but equal to 2a by pi plus B by pi. Will you accept with me? So see, little bit tweaking, I'll make it done. B by pi, can I write down like this? A minus 2a by pi. So I'll take down A pi. So can I write down like this? A into A minus 2a by pi. So finally I can do one thing. My pi gets cancelled. So finally B is equal to pi minus 2 into A. So what is the question asked? Ratio of the length of AB is to AC. AB is A, BC is B. So finally I can write down this as 1 is to pi minus 2. Will you accept with me regarding this? Yes, perfectly, and this is my answer there. In the entire scenario, if you can draw the diagram, yes, you can solve the question very easily, right? Nothing more than that here. Shall we solve one more question? Let's see, last question of the series there. Yeah, try this. Let's see how many can solve. This is not mass point geometry, basic triangle properties only. You can solve it very easily. This question was asked by a student in 2018, right, in FB doubt solving group. Got this question for you. Let's see how many can solve this. Be small mistake there. This is M. Now try it. Last question of the series. We'll continue in the next class, right? No worries. In the figure below, AL is perpendicular to BC and CM is perpendicular to AB. So I will take down the, so CM is perpendicular, it seems. AL is perpendicular, it seems, CB. If CL is equal to AL is equal to 2BL. If I take down my BL value as X, so this will be 2X, my CL value will be X, my AL value will be X. So I'll take down AL as X. No. My AL, sorry. 2 into BL matlab reverse sign. My BL will be X, my CL will be 2X, and my AL will be X. So any answers from you? No. Might be no. Yes. True. Let's see. 1 second here. Let's see. Now I can write down one point here. I know AL value, I know CL value. Can I find out AC value by Pythagoras theorem? So this is 4x, 8x. So this will be 2 root 2x. By this I can find out this value. Similarly, I can find out this value. AL is 2x. This is x. 4x plus x, 5x, root of 5x. My AB value is root of 5x. Chalo. So if I take down my AL as perpendicular, area of the triangle half into my base value is nothing but 2x plus x, 3x, and my height value is 2x, which is nothing but equal to 3x square. So I'll take down like this. If I take down my CM value as perpendicular, my area of the triangle will be same. There will be no change, but my base value will change. My base value will be half into root of 5x into CM. Altitude value will be CM. So what will be my CM value is equal to 3x square now. CM value will be equal to 6x by root 5. Okay, so this I got the value there. Now you closely observe there. Observe triangle AMC. It is also a right angle triangle. By this, what can I say? CM is perpendicular side, AM is perpendicular, perpendicular sides. AM square plus CM square is nothing but equal to 2 root 2x, 2 root 2x whole square. So by this, what can I say? What will be my AM value? My AM square value will be equal to, this is 8x square minus 6x by root 5 is 36x square by 5. So 5 8s are 40, 4 by 5. So my AM value will be how much, ma? Is it 2x by root 5? Yes, it is 2x by root 5. Now what is the question asked? MC AM. So already MC value already we have calculated now, 6x by root 5. So AM value will be how much? Just now you have calculated 2x by root 5. So this is 3:1. Is there any option there? Yes, B option. True, Srinivas. Yes. Done. Perfectly done. Yes. So we'll continue in the next class. Tomorrow's class, I'll get some more the best questions and a new concept. Today I'll forward the notes to the Telegram groups now, so that you can have with you all the data there. So as you all know, I deal with CAT, UPSC and GATE and DSC category. If you wish me as your guide, you can use my code NLN10 for plus subscription. You can use my code NLN10 for iconic subscription. Yes, you can unlock combats using with my code NLN10. You can unlock free classes on Unacademy using with my code NLN10. And the price for plus for 12 months will be the 24,750 after discount when you use my code NLN10. And this is for 18 and 24 months. Of course, these are normal prices, but up to, we have extended up to 29th. So up to 29th July, yes, you will be getting flat 20% discount. It's not 10%. You will be getting flat 20% discount when you use my code NLN10. Now see, 1 year price will be 22,000 only, 24,750. You will be saving to least approximately 3,000 rupees. And these are the prices for Iconic, right? 12 months it will be 41,175. After discount, when you use my code NLN, of course, you will be getting flat 20% on this one. These are the normal prices. You will be getting flat 20% when you use my code NLN. Yes. And do try to join my special classes here. My special class has very huge crowd. My strategy sessions are blockbusters, right? Each and every class there are more than 200 to 250 students. Do try to join, right? The interaction will be 10x more than on YouTube channels, right? And yes, do try to hit the like button. Share my classes if you like the classes. If you like the classes, share with your friends, right? For preparing for CAT. Subscribe to the channel, download the PDF from the Telegram groups, and hit the bell icon to get the updates regarding the classes. Thank you and have a nice day. Good night. Let's meet sharp tomorrow, 10 p.m.